tiny piece of paper. Can you guess what it's becoming? A few folds later, it's starting to take shape, making it stronger and sturdier. A little cup shaping. Add small shape pieces. And a tiny matcha touch. Look how fluffy that is! Time for the matcha color. Now for the satisfying part. The color turned out so cute. Adding the fluffy filling. So soft already. The best part is coming. Time for some matcha magic. Wait until you see the texture. Adding the clicker inside. Turning it into a tiny squishy. Will it actually work? Click, click, click. It works! Tiny squishy.
This started as a simple piece of paper.
But I had a tiny idea.